Hello all, welcome to learncatia.com. In this lesson we are learning the sketcher design of profile toolbar. Under profile toolbar we have another sub toolbar, that is spline. Under spline we have the option spline, which just works like a sine wave, right? So to end this you can type escape of key, and the next option is connect curve. For connect curve you need two ends. Now I am selecting one of the end of this line and one of the end of this line. Look, we have got a curve between these two lines, right? So even you can change the direction of these curves. Double click on the curve and change the direction, reverse direction and reverse direction. See, this is how we get the curve design, right? So this is the connect curve. The next sub toolbar you have is conic shapes. The conic shapes are like ellipse, parabola, hyperbola and conic. So ellipse you need to give the center point and minor axis and major axis. This is your ellipse, and hyperbola even the same, the center point and in this way. So this is your hyperbola, and parabola even parabola. Now this is hyperbola. Right, so these are the few options. Anyways, we don't use such shapes, we never require it. Let's go for next option. This is lines sub toolbar. The line is a normal line, the first one, the first option, right? After that you have infinite line. The infinite line is like you can give a line if you require an infinite line. For suppose you're designing some sketch and you want an infinite line as per your requirement. And next is bitangent line. For bitangent line you need to have two circles, a circle 1 and this is circle 2, right? So select on the bitangent line, and this is a circle 1. Select, you need two circles. This is circle 1 and circle 2. So here you got your line between the two circles, alright? Next option, for this option you need to have one line. There is one line and there is another line bisecting your primary line. So you want a line which passes through the intersection of these two lines. So select the option bisecting line and select option 1, the line 1 and line 2. Then you got the line at which the point of intersection is happening, right? Remove this. Now there is line normal to curve. So for example, this is a curve where you want to get a line. So at this, on this curve and at this point I'll want a line, so you can get a line 90 degrees to this curve. You can see this symbol, right, which is 90 degree, right? So this is one of the option. And this is construction line or axis line, you can call it as, which has big dash and a small dash line. This is a construction line. And next options you have is a point is a point. You can have a point at anywhere. And next is coordinate point, same as how we have seen 100 horizontal and 100 vertical. Just zoom it out, zoom in now. Hold scroll key, right click and move forward direction, move your mouse in forward direction. This is how you zoom in. scroll key, press and hold scroll key and right click and move your mouse in forward direction. This is zoom in. See, the values which we have given is 100 Y and 100 horizontal and 100 vertical value. This is where we got the point. And for this next option you need a line. This is a line. I want to generate the points on this line with equal distance. The number of insertions I want is 10. See, I got the points on this line with equal distance with 10 insertions. There are 10 points on this line with equal distances. And intersection, for this there is two lines which are intersecting, and I require a point at the point of intersection. You can select this point and select the two lines. You will get the point where, see, the point is generated at the point of intersection, right? So these are the few options. Last option you need not use. There are many options in Catia. So in interview aspect you need not learn each and everything. The lessons which are taught in these videos from learncatia.com, they are enough to get a job. Thanks for watching the video.